Braze features, strengths, weaknesses. Braze is a comprehensive customer engagement platform focused on delivering personalized and multi-channel experiences, primarily targeting B2C brands with large user bases. Key features include behavioral segmentation, allowing for highly granular audience targeting based on in-app activity, purchase history, and other engagement metrics. It boasts robust A/B testing capabilities for message optimization across channels like push notifications, in-app messages, email, SMS, and even webhooks for custom integrations. Braze excels in its Canvas flow, a visual journey builder for orchestrating complex, multi-step campaigns triggered by user behavior, date time, or API calls. Furthermore, it provides advanced analytics dashboards with real-time data and attribution modeling to track campaign performance and ROI. Ideal clients are enterprises in e-commerce, media, gaming, and finance seeking to build deeper relationships with their customers through personalized messaging at scale. Now, let's talk about the strengths. Braze shines with its flexibility and customization options, allowing marketers to tailor messaging and workflows to meet specific business needs. Its open API and SDKs enable seamless integration with existing marketing stacks and data warehouses, crucial for leveraging existing customer data. The user interface is intuitive and relatively easy to navigate compared to some competing platforms, reducing the learning curve for new users. However, there are weaknesses. Braze can be expensive, particularly for smaller businesses or startups with limited budgets. The pricing model is based on monthly active users, MAUs, which can quickly escalate. While the UI is generally user-friendly, advanced features and customization options can become complex, requiring dedicated personnel with technical expertise. Reporting, while comprehensive, can sometimes feel overwhelming, lacking simplified summary views for quick insights. Finally, while Braze supports webhooks, building and maintaining complex custom integrations can demand significant development resources. In conclusion, Braze is a powerful platform for large B2C brands needing sophisticated personalization and multi-channel orchestration capabilities. Its strengths in behavioral segmentation, A/B testing, and journey building are compelling, but the high cost and potential complexity are significant factors to consider. Evaluate your specific business needs, budget, and technical resources before committing to Braze to ensure it's the right fit for your customer engagement strategy.